this is moisture balance. There are two parts. One is the balance part, then other one is control part. We will switch on the balance and control unit, and now we will have to wait for 5-10 minutes. We will be setting temperature and time here. To set the temperature, we say like we will be setting with this up down keys. Temperature we will be keeping 105 degree, or you can set as per your requirement. Then time we will be setting, say for example 5 minutes. So this is the temperature and time we have set it. This we have to set as per our requirement. Now we will switch on this compartment and we will take a petri dish. We will be taking this, then switch on, and then balance should be stable. Tear this weight. Now we will be adding sample. So we will be taking around 5 gram sample. So sample we have to take in such a way, we don't need to weigh exactly, but it is, we have to spread it the sample. So now if you see, this sample quantity is more, but we can take this also. Now we will be pressing function keys 2 times till the display shows percentage. Then to confirm this one, we will be making this 100%. Then F2 double. Now everything is okay. Then we will start the test. Now if you see, the light has glown, and now it is drying the sample. So we will wait for 5 minutes. Once the temperature will reach 105 degree, timer will start automatically, and now timer is running. As we have set it 5 minutes, so we have to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will stop the heating and it will give the alarm. We will note down the reading of the balance, and then if we detect that reading from 100, so that will be our percentage moisture. You see that only 1 minute is remaining and temperature is controlled. If temperature will go less than 105, it will switch on the heater, and if it will go more, it will switch off the heater automatically. So once the time will be over, you can hear the sound of buzzer, and then we can note down the reading. So now you see the reading of balance is almost stable. Now it is showing 93.31%. We have set it the sample at 100%, but after drying, now it is 93.31%. Now you see buzzer is ringing and test is over. To switch off the buzzer, we will switch off this one and note down the reading. This is 93.32. So it means moisture is 6.68%.